The timeless commitment of perfecting each step, giving precise thought to what we do next. We raise the bar higher each passing day, understanding the significance of the roles we play. We call on ourselves to go above and beyond, connecting each fiber, strengthening each strand. Understanding each step leads to another. We live not for ourselves, but for our sisters and brothers. Our purpose is certain. Our mission is clear. We dare not deviate from the paths that we've made. We will forever feed our nation, a pledge we hold dear. We continue to blaze trails and pull horizons near. No journey too far within the boundaries of land, for the smiles and the laughter that will never be outdone.